Hello everyone, this is the phone we found at that beach in the last video. I'm gonna clean it and then charge it, and then hopefully we can do something with it. Alright, so here's the before. A little dirty, so you can see from the lens right there. You can see there's a lot of prints, a lot of stuff on it. So alright, now I'm gonna use one of these just to get around the phone, another cotton ball or a dry one, so just to get all that stuff out. Alright, awesome. Now, that's gonna be annoying. Oh yeah, this is kind of how it looks like right now. This person really does take care of the phone. I only see one scratch. Hopefully that wasn't me, but yeah, everything else is just really clean. Alright, a little cleaner. Not too clean though. Alright, so while this charges, I'll clean their case. Really dirty. I'll be back. I'm gonna put this this part of the case. I'll just wash it real quick. I'm not gonna lie, I just washed both parts because what's the point of just getting one part at a time where I can just wash it? So don't know why I did that earlier. Just wasted time, but at least the case is clean. If it doesn't charge with the port, then I'll use my wireless charger. Because, who knows, maybe they broke the port, so they can only use wireless. Hopefully they didn't break it. Alright, I don't think, yeah, it wasn't charging with the port. So right now I'm using my, what's it called, portable charger. So, and it just showed that the what's it called, battery thingy. So now it's actually in charge. So hopefully we see what happens. And yeah. Alright, I'm gonna open the phone now. Wait, hold up. I swear I just saw something. Yo. What notification did you get? What is this wallpaper? Only a 4-code password? Wait, let me go back. Yo, what? You can check the camera now. Oh man. Dang, it's actually weird. Nah, bro. This is actually kind of scary, not gonna lie. Found it at a random beach. Nah, but we gotta do something with this. Turn it in somehow. I do not want this, bro. Who knows where this has been. Alright guys, this will be the end, but if I don't upload, just know it's probably because of this phone. Alright, bye guys.